Hello everyone, and I'll show you how to customize the edge panel on your Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. So in order to do that, go to the settings. Now go to display, scroll down to find your display. Choose, first of all, make sure that your edge panels are on. Press on the edge panels section. Now press at the panels. So here you see a list of possible panels you can add. For example, let's choose an application panel, press edit, and here you can add or take off the panel all the applications you have on the phone. So for example, let's take over Samsung Health and our camera, and let's add a Google Store and it's our Spotify. Just simple as that. This little minus near the icon to discharge, and simply click on it to add it again, just like that. So if you wanna to customize them, so to change their appearance, simply press handle section here, and here you can choose the position for your panel, for example left or right. Let's leave it to the right. You can choose the style which it's gonna have. You can choose the transparency, size, width, whatever it could be adjusted. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.